Hello, I'm Thinev. There are 5 types of parrots in Sri Lanka and 2 are endemic. Today I'll be talking about one of them. The Layard's Parakeet. The Layard's Parakeet or Emerald-collared Parakeet is a parrot. Bright green, long-tailed parrot with a grey hood and conspicuous black throat. This species is endemic to Sri Lanka. The beak is red-orange in males, but all dark in duller females. Small groups inhabit upper levels of humid forest in the wet zone and drier, wooded areas outside of that in both the lowlands and hills. The common name of this bird commemorates the British naturalist Edgar Leopold. Their calls are like locally named Sri Lanka Alu Girawa. It is featured in Sri Lankan 500 note and 5 cents postal stamp. I have not seen the Layard's Parakeet. One such place you can see them is Galoya National Park. Galoya National Park is located in the east part of Sri Lanka. It is one of the lesser visited national parks compared to Yala, Udawalawa and Wilpattu, but still it's a beautiful national park.